Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you have admin rights and that all Office documents are saved. This prevents data loss. Once done, press Start and open Settings, then go to Apps right arrow Installed Apps so you can see Microsoft Office. Make sure Outlook, Word, Excel windows are closed. Background processes will block Uninstall. If OneDrive is syncing, pause it to avoid conflicts. These steps get you straight into the uninstall flow without interruptions or permission prompts. Now locate the Microsoft Office entry in the Installed Apps list and click Uninstall. You do this because the Settings UI triggers the built-in removal routine. When User Account Control appears, allow it so Windows can modify system files. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Choose to remove all components if you want a full uninstall, or pick repair options if available. Make sure to watch for additional prompts from Microsoft Office Setup. Those complete the deep removal and unregister components from Windows. After the uninstall finishes, restart your PC to clear locked files and finalize registry changes. This ensures Office is fully removed. If Office still appears in the apps list or shortcuts remain, run the Microsoft Support Cleanup tool to remove stubborn remnants. You use this when the standard uninstall fails. Finally, confirm your backups before reinstalling or restoring settings. If problems continue, check Event Viewer for installer errors or run sfc/scano to repair system files. Then retry the cleanup tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.